Good afternoon, guys, and welcome back to PA Street Team. For those of you that are new here, my name is Derek. Make sure you're hitting that like and subscribe button and also that notification bell so you can keep up with my latest content. Today, I'm here at the car wash getting ready to clean off the R32. There is a meet happening in probably about 10 minutes or so down on City Island. It's only about a 5-minute drive from here. So I'm just going to clean it off real quick, head on down, and see how things go. Should be fun. The Facebook event page said that there were a ton of people planning to come, so I'm hoping for a big turnout and hopefully it doesn't get shut down too quick before I get to see some cool stuff. But yeah, let's get the car washed and then let's head to City Island. Well, I made it down to the meet, and it's already filling up pretty quick. They said cops rolled through just to do like a quick check before I even got here. So they know what's going on, so we'll see if they're back. But just like last time, the garage where they keep their cars is literally right there. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. But yeah, I'm going to take a walk around. A lot of cool cars here. A couple Vivos just pulled in. There's a Lamborghini Urus over in the corner. And yeah, I'm just going to take a walk and see what we've got, so let's go. So it's about an hour and a half into the meet. Lots of cool cars. It's so hot here. My camera's actually died twice just due to overheating. So I moved into the garage. A lot of cars came in here. And we're kind of waiting to see what happens, honestly. Because there's two Harrisburg police officers over here in the distance. Because as I said at the beginning of the video, this parking garage is where they store a lot, if not all, of the Harrisburg police cars. So far so good. They've been here for a little bit just checking out things, and it's pretty chill, so I don't know if they're going to kick us out or not, but we'll try to get as much out of this meet as we can before that happens. Let's walk around and see what's inside. It's about 20 degrees cooler inside. Got another R32. Chevy Cavalier with carbon fiber hood wrap. Yeah, everybody's moved inside. Let's come over here. Got some underglow. I love the red wheels on this GLI. So pretty. Mark III. Another Mark IV. Damn, if I was sure we weren't going to get kicked out, I'd move my car in here with all the Volkswagen. Another officer coming through. All the Subarus from the beginning of the video all moved in. They were kind of the first to come inside. Another beautiful GLI, super clean. I love that front splitter. I don't know if you can see because of the shadow. And then just the perfect amount of wheel tuck. Love it. Focus RS. Another STI with the Polaris yellow. Looks like another Evo pulled in. Lots of Evos here today. G35. Civic Type R. Evo without a wing. I can never decide if I was going to get an Evo if I'd want the wing on or off. But I do kind of like it without it. Another Type R. Civic SI. 350Z, possibly my next build, depending on how things go in the future with COVID and financial situations. Couple Mark V's, Miata, BMW. This Jetta is stunning. Oh, actually it's a GLI. On air ride. The blue on white wheels. So pretty. Oh my god, we got a puppy dog!
Look at it!
Hello! Have a good one, guys. Another Nissan 240SX. Looks like the cars go higher, so we're going to wrap up around. If any of you guys ever watch the Street Speed 717 videos, this is where he takes his photos with Ben Troxel and Alex Spangler. They usually go up to the very top level. You can see all the cop cars in there. City of Harrisburg. What is that, a Veloster? Yeah, it is, Veloster. Big wing. Nice Mazda. Underglow. Another BMW, another GLI. I think that might be it as far as cars in the garage. So yeah, we're gonna head back outside and see if anything else showed up and see how long it takes for everybody to get kicked out of the garage. So let's go.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.